I can't think of anything. I can't think of anything now. Hold on. Oh, by the way,
think of something juicy.
Think of something juicy. So, Chris, how have you been doing these days, Chris? Cut it off. Cut it. Oh, hello. Sorry about that. You want some? We're back to the show. Now we're talking to Chris over here. Chris has been away to Brazil for a very long time. We're going to ask him a few questions. You ready? Okay, Chris. How was Brazil? Just getting diseases?
No, I had to have plastic surgery. Can you tell?
Hey, Robin. Hey, Robin. Robin.
What?
I'm touching myself into the console. Woo! Sorry about that. So, did you fuck any hoes in Brazil? Did you marry any and try to bring them back, but you couldn't?
Don't call me Robin.
But you're Robin.
Dude.
Give me that bowl, nigga.
I can't hold this thing very still.
Oh my god, it's so juicy.
Is it not straight? I can't tell.
It's straight, for real.
Okay.
Off.
Where in the cup?
I'm just sitting
It's really weird, y'all.
Okay, we're back.
here. I can't work.
Robin! Robin!
This is funny.
Turn it off!
Out there.
Bring him out, bring him out. You're zoomed into me really closely, I can tell. Now it's really
No, I'm
close.
just gonna look right at the lens.
Oh no. Hey.
Alright, we're back to...
Did you
we're
take
back.
the zoom off?
No.
What did you
I just did the
do?
quick zoom.
What? What? You didn't show me that part. Okay.
We're out. We're cashed. Turn that camera off! Turn that camera! Turn that camera!
Okay, what did you just do? Do it again.
Didn't do anything, just talking.
No, you weren't talking.
Yeah, I was.
Oh god.
Do it. Do it.
What?
Do it.
What?
See, now you won't do anything now that the camera's on.
Damn it, you're supposed to get off right there.
No, I don't want you to. No, I want you
And
to
then
do
we'll
it.
try
the
it again. We're going to do outtakes of trying to do this.
Can't you just do it the right way? One more time.
What's he doing? Chris is freaking out over there.
I know my phone's ringing.
No, that's our theme. That's the it's the song for our show, our theme song. Dude, that face is freaking me out. Oh my god. And look, it's just moving. Look at it. Stop.
It's freaking me out, man.
You know what? It's real juicy.
Oh my god, it's so juicy.
Look at it, dude.
Where did he go?
I can hear Chandler in my head.
He's on the TV.
And that was supposed to be funny. You're supposed to cut it off there because it wouldn't make any sense. But now you've made sense of why it's in my head. What's the funny in that?
What the fuck are we talking about?
I love you so much.
What's I love you?
Oh! Look, the phone's ringing again.
I bet somebody.
Whoa, now you can see.
I'm not gonna run.
Bubba? Balloons! Well, what? Is that zooming in for real? No. That looks really bad. Oh, wait, hold on. I gotta... There we go. Now you can actually see through it. Okay, it's off.
No, it's not.
The camera's off.
No, it's not.
And I'm just gonna look at your legs then. And your arms is and your hands is. Uh-oh. Let me see them toes. Hello. Hello, Mr. Tuss. Oh my god. Stop.
Teddy bear?
I love you so very much.
God,
Good God Almighty.
you almost killed
Holy hell. No. Isn't that some crazy shit? Yeah. Here, get out. I gotta get back.
It's on. Get her go nuts, Cody.
With the animal hunt. Today we're gonna be hunting the teen.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay, be careful. Boy, crikey! Here he comes. Hey, he's a little bit scattered from our encounter. Come on. Come on.
It's out of focus. Shut up.
I don't care. Oh my god. It's causing meltdown. Meltdown. You bashing the head with the rock.
Glare we at y'all, look.
I'm camouflaged.
Check his wallet.
Take his wallet, come on.
Quickly.
Take his wallet. Poke him with a stick.
Oh, goddamn.
Oh my god.
Camera's on. Camera's on. In transmission.
Got away.
Go on.
Cut it. Yeah, with him.
She's trying to
God.
I'm gonna step back. Steve, go on in, Steve. I'm gonna stay back. I don't feel safe up there. Just all take a minute to stare at Steve's crotch.
It appears they're making a plan to attack us. By crikey!
Don't touch me.
By crikey! God. Shh, shh, shh. You can hear them fornicating. Cut it off!
Kick him in the nuts.
You gotta shut up in the hat.
That's right, man.
Look, I got him now. We'll scalp him.
I kicked him in the nuts.
You kicked him in the nuts. What's going on, everybody? This is Chris, and this is Cody Molester. It's like Cody Molester. No, he's not. He's salt and pepper, niggas.
Oh my god, it's so juicy.
There we go. See, right now we're going to Walmart to get some furniture and some jet lights for some stupid fucking reason. At 1:33 in the morning, while 2 out of 3 of us are high, and the third one isn't exactly sober. Isn't that right, Cody? He doesn't know. He's freaking out. Okay, we'll be right back after these commercial breaks. Stick around.
Walmart has been delayed for a short period of time due to our lack of money.
And that's no shit, folks.
And we're out.
Whoa. Now it's on again.
Oh my god, it's so juicy.
Oh my god, so gentle.
Got that on tape.
What?
You saying, oh my god. I think I got it on tape. I know I got a little bit of it on tape. Damn, dude.
Take with me song you left behind. We're sharing one eternity, living into none. While we're in here, all 3 of us have to take a hit. Turn that shit off.
All 3 of us gotta do what?
Take a hit.
When we go inside.
Giggity giggity.
Oh, right.
It's mandatory or you can't come on the trail.
And I'm the cameraman.
Come on, camera.
The cameraman can. Okay.
Cameraman can.
Open this door for me, honey. Alright. Cameraman's out. We're cops.
We're in the house. Get the house. Keep accidentally pushing the button.
That was on a minute ago.
Shazam!
We're supposed to do this.
Yeah, man.
Alright,
Hey,
we're
man.
gonna get the motherfuckers. Okay, get out. And randomly turn it off and on, but only when you think it's appropriate.
Okay.
Like then was appropriate time to turn it off. Okay. Oh my God! Control your light. I'll control mine. No, not yet. No, you push this button. Don't do it yet. Do it when I'm done talking. All right. And then turn it off when you're done. All right, we're back. We're on our way to Walmart again.
Damn it. Oh God, it's so hot. Damn it.
You know what? I'm hot too, but it doesn't matter because I gotta get some furniture for my house, nigga. It's not on. It wasn't
Damn
on.
it.
Anyway, Anyway, we just got back from Walmart. We got some furniture, we got some candy. We got everything you want right here in this car. Take it away, Cody. We finally got home and we got this new miracle burger. You see that poof? Try to zoom in on the poof. Watch it. Oh. And that's all, folks. Dun, 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 dun. Motherfucker, I come for my niggas. I come for you, nigga. Motherfucker.
Oh my God,